Hello guys, welcome to my first machine learning and AI class. So I'm going to be introducing you to machine learning and AI, and I'm going to start with the first one today, linear regression. So machine learning is divided into two. We have machine learning first in AI, then we have deep learning. So the whole AI thing is classified as machine learning and deep learning. And machine learning is divided into two: classified and regression. Classification and regression. So but we are going to start with classification in this class. So what's regression? Regression is something that either it has the ability to forever go forward or come backward, but in a particular order. So I'm going to be showing you what linear regression is all about. So I will show you from this graph. I'll give you the algorithm, and then I'm going to show you from this graph. Let me give you the algorithm first. Let me give you the algorithm. So yeah, linear regression. Applications. Okay, I didn't write it here, but okay, I'll give you from the code. I'll give you the algorithm from the code. So I didn't document it here. So but let me explain this data set first. You can see this data set. This is size and this is price. So machine learning is useless without prediction. If you cannot use it to predict anything, it's useless. So we are going to use this set of data. It is just actually putting data into the system, training the data, and now the system will identify the pattern. The algorithm will identify the patterns that are there, and to be able to predict the next data point for you. That's the whole essence of machine learning. So you can see size of 750 when you have like a house. So you are measuring it in square feet, and the size of 750 is, the price is 150. The size of 800, you see, as it's progressing, the price is increasing. As it's progressing, the price is increasing. As it's progressing, the price is increasing. So it will be very, very, very easy for machine learning to learn this one. It's not that complex. It's not that complex. You can also use multiple parameters. This is just one parameter to predict this parameter. Input parameter, one parameter to predict one output. That's the price. But you can also use many parameters. You can see for a case of house now, to predict the price of the house, the square footage, the number of bedrooms, lot size, age of the house. So when you have all these parameters, all this data in place, you can predict what the price will be. So that is the whole essence of machine learning. You put parameters inside, and it will predict the output for you. So this is just how it is arranged. If you want to arrange it, if you are not loading from CSV, if you want to arrange it in the data, in the algorithm code. So I'll just explain. I will get to metrics later, all the metrics used. I'll get to the application. This is the application, house price prediction. You can see customer churn prediction, where like now, if churn means the possibility of a customer leaving your service, the possibility of a customer leaving your network, your system, your website, your company. So you put a lot of things, either due to you just put the data of the customer's behavior, every data of the customer behavior, and then but that is the classification problem. It will predict whether the customer will churn or not, binary, 1 or 0. So let's get to the algorithm. First of all, you need to have all these libraries. You need to have the scikit-learn library. This is the most important. sklearn. You need to have numpy. You need to have matplotlib. You need to have one hot encoder. You need to have all these compose. see pandas, you see. So you need to have these libraries first of all. Those are the most important things. Then if we are trying to read it from a data set, from a CSV file, we'll get to that, but let me show you a little how you can install this library. Go to CMD and run it as administrator. Run as administrator. You can see after you run CMD as administrator, you do this. Sorry, let me look for where I put those things. You go to your Python script, your Python interpreter, the network part of your Python interpreter. You can see mine is Python 312. Go to the network part and copy it. Go to the network part, copy it. When you press enter, you write scripts, and then you can install. Mine, I'm using version 3, pip install any library, sklearn, but you need data for this one, and then you hit enter. Once you hit enter, it will start installing. I hit enter right now, but there's no data. I'm not connected to the internet, so you need the internet to do this. I have this one installed already, so you just have it waiting like this, and then it installs. It will tell you successful. So that's how to do it. So back to the algorithm. So we are not putting our data straight in the code. We are not arranging our data straight in the code like this. We would have been doing it like this, but no. So we are going to load it from a CSV file, which is linux.csv. So all this code, just look at my code, do the same thing I'm doing, apply it to yours. You can change your parameters and all. So this is linux.csv. I'm going to show you briefly. Machine learning data set. So this is the size and color to predict the price of anything. This is not a particular commodity, or is it a house or something. So we are choosing price, size and color to predict the price. So when we're taking our new input data, you can see I'm going to like put any number and say blue to give me the new price. So that's what we are going to be actually doing. So we are going to take the CSV data, load it, transform it, if possible clean it. Okay, we are not cleaning here because this data is clean already from lookup things. Clean it, and then we process it. So now this axis is telling you y x axis. Now this axis, it is just simply telling you what axis are the features. These are the features here. What axis are the features? What axis are the target? Now these are the features. Size and color are the features that you are going to provide. The target, that the one to be predicted, is price. That's what this place means. The one to be predicted is price. So you are just going to drop the price instead of you writing price, and instead of you writing this size and color, you are just going to write drop price. That's all. You don't need to do too much. Then y target is price. So why we are one hot encoding it? Because it is not going to read, it only reads numerical values. It only reads numerical values. Excuse me for the noise. It only reads numerical values. Excuse me. So it takes, so yeah, so that's it. So one hot encoder, we are going to encode this particular column color, because machine learning only reads numerical data, which is this price and this size. But since we have them in letters now, since we have them in strings, we are going to one hot encode it. That's the part for one hot encoder. So you see